Mira Rajput uploaded a get ready with me video using only 6 makeup products. She has used all luxurious expensive makeup products and I will be following her today using only affordable drugstore products. Let's get started. Since her makeup is very minimal, so I'm using only concealer and no foundation. This is my favorite Lakme 9 to 5 concealer and blending it with fingers only. All the products I have used are mentioned down in the description box. Using blush for that naturally pink cheeks and just like Mira, blending it with fingers. A little contouring to add depth but not too much of it. Keeping it all soft and minimal, so blending any harsh lines. Instead of Benefit, using Blue Heaven's eyebrow gel. Mira has used a brown eye pencil on the eyelid and no kajal or mascara, so going with the same. A nude lip liner to shape lips but not overdoing them, filling the lips with the same shade. She has used a Charlotte Tilbury one, which is very expensive. Adding a clear gloss to complete the look and blending it using my fingers. And we are done. I hope you liked this video, and if you really do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. See you until next time. Bye bye.